Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mannequin cupcake stand for your upcoming birthday or wedding celebration. Here we go. I am very excited to make this cupcake stand for you guys. It has been in the back of my mind for a very long time, and Pinterest seems to always send me pictures of it. So I think it's time to make it. The ones that I see on Pinterest are actually made out of the actual mannequin with a huge display. So I figure I can make a smaller version with a dress form from Hobby Lobby, as you guys have seen on my videos before. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the very first thing I'm going to do is paint my round oak wood in white, and this is totally optional. You guys are gonna think that I'm crazy, but here it is. So since the other box that's gonna go on top of it is white, I decided that I wanted to paint this in white as well, because I'm thinking of it as the, you know, undergarment. When you have a pretty dress, you want to match your underwear, so I am going to match the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna paint it in in white. And like I said, this is totally optional. You're not gonna be able to see this, but mentally it bothers me. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it in white. So while I let that dry, I'm going to perform surgery on my dress form, which I got from Hobby Lobby. Original price for this is $14.99, but I always go with my coupon for 40% off, which means that I got it at half of 15, half of 14, 7, 8, about $8.50 I paid for this. Okay, so I am going to first make a line where I'm going to cut, and I'm thinking that, let's see if you can see this. Nope. All right, so I'm thinking that I want it right where her waist starts. Okay, so I want the thinner part of the dress form to be my bottom. That is not a straight line. So I'm going to be cutting right about there. Look at that. I can definitely use this for something. I like it. All right. She is not perfect, but it will work. Next, I'm going to be gluing my round oak on top of its base. And for the base, I'm using a plastic bowl from Dollar Tree. And I'm only going to be making the cupcake stand 2 tiers. Feel free to add another tier or 2. Home Depot actually has a bigger round oak that you can use as a 3rd tier if you would like to do so. All right, so I'm just going to use hot glue for this. And it should look something like this. Now I'm going to glue my top tier on top of my round oak, And this box right here I actually got from Goodwill. It is 12 inches. And I couldn't find a box at Michael's or Hobby Lobby that will look just like this. I kind of lucked out and got this one from Goodwill. And I ended up painting it in white because it had designs on it. But if you don't, you can buy this one from Hobby Lobby. Michael also has it. But this one is a little taller and it is 10 inches, okay? They do sell 12 inches, but it comes in a pack where you have to buy like all 4 sizes. So I think the best alternative is this 10 inch, okay? And this is $6.99, and if you go with your 40% coupon at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, it will cost you way less. So nothing to it, but I love this one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I kind of had to place it on the ground so I can look down and make sure that it was centered. So that is a good tip for you guys. Make sure that you place it on the ground and you can see that it is centered because it's very important. Next, I'm going to be gluing this pillar candle holder from Dollar Tree right on top of my top tier. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful satin fabric that I got from Jones Fabric. This is 2 yards, and I'm going to place it right on top. And of course, you have to iron this prior to placing it on the cake stand. So go ahead and center it. Okay, so this is now center, and here is the top. And I'm going to go ahead and cut a hole through here so I can put it through the pillar candle holder. So now your dress form goes right on top, as so. And whenever this gets dirty or you need to iron it, all you have to do is pull this off and take it off. Perfect. Yay. All right, so this is not, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to keep you, there you go. Next, I'm going to be using this gold sequin elastic. It's very, very stretchy because it is elastic. And this is 1.5 yards. And this is going to be the top part of her dress. It's going to be strappy and very cute and sexy. So I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping it around her top. So I'm going to start by gluing this end on the back of her neck. And I'm just going to hold it there for a little bit. So for this look, I am going to give her a kind of like a crisscross kind of look, but you can also give her like a tube top, okay, and go all around, as so, all the way down. Or you can give her a shoulder look, one shoulder. Okay, like this, all the way down as well. All right, you can play around it, but I decided to give her the cross because I think it's really cute. All right, so that's dry. And I'm just going to use a pin, and I'm just going to stab her in the back. So it won't move, okay? Because I don't want it to move. So now I am going to bring it to the side. And you're going to pull a little bit, but not too much, okay? Because then it will rise up. And then you are going to come up. And then you're going to come around again. And this time you are going to come around the bottom. And you're going to pull. And then you're going to go around it twice. Okay? And then you are going to bring it over. All right. And then you are going to add glue right on here. And then you are going to hide it under there, okay? So I'm gonna add glue right here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now let's cover her boobs. She's a lady. She's a lady. All right. All right, girl. You are styling. Okay. Last but not least, I am going to add this beautiful brooch right here on this corner. So now all I have left to do is to tuck in the fabric, but I may have to cut it a bit because it's pretty long. So you may only need to use 1 yard. I love to buy 2 just in case. So 1 yard will be more than enough. So, well, if you're gonna have 2 tiers. If you're gonna have more than 2 tiers, then you may need the whole 2 yards. But for 2 tiers, 1 should be enough. But let's see. This is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. I'm actually liking the extra material. I am not lying. I love it. I do love the 2 yards. All of this extra stuff is giving me life. But you don't have to. You can make it a little more tighter. But I actually like it. I mean, I have to arrange it a little better, but I like it. Love it. Okay guys, this is it. This is my mannequin cupcake stand, and it is absolutely beautiful, glamorous, and elegant at the same time. This is perfect for a sweet 16, a quinceañera, a bridal shower, any milestone celebration, if you are a fabulous lady, of course, and even for a wedding if you change the color to white. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, all you have to do is hit that button right there. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my mannequin cupcake stand, and leave me a comment anyway, because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's having a party soon, is getting married soon, and is fabulous, make sure to share with them at the end of this video, because you'll be able to save them a buck or two. Until next time, bye.